Yeah, welcome to the video lectures on Java programming codes. So in this particular video, we are going to discuss about history and data types of Java. So this is the outline of my video. So first I'll start with lecture outcomes, then history and evaluation of Java. Then I'll discuss data types. Then we'll see some reflection spot. We'll revisit lecture outcome, and then I'll give some lecture level practice problems. Then if you want to concentrate on this particular topic, whatever the further requirements, further reading requirements, I'll inform. So let us start with the lecture outcomes. After completing of this particular video, you are able to understand the importance, data types, as well as the variables of Java. So generally, Java was designed for interactive television. So in 1990s, a team called a Green Team. So that people started a project to develop a language for digital devices and set-top boxes, televisions, etc. So, however, it is best suited for internet programming. Later, Java technology was incorporated by Netscape. So the main principles of creating this Java programming was very simple, robust, portable, platform independent, secured, high performance, multi-threaded, architectural neutral, object-oriented concepts, interpreted and dynamic. So this green team started developing this particular programming language. A person called the green team consists of three members: James Cosling, Mike Sheridan, and Patrick. So these people initiated the Java language project in the 1991. So in the month of June. So later, Java was developed by these particular team was led by a person called James Cosling. So that is why this person will known as father of Java. So initially, Java was called as Green Talk by James Cosling, and the file extension of this one is .gt. But after that, it was called Oak, and later it was renamed as Java. Why? Because already Oak Technologies one company is there. So due to some trademark issues, due to some registration issues, they renamed as Java. So Java is generally the word Java is a coffee name. So that name they put for this programming language. And this name was chosen by James Cosling. And these are the versions releases so far. So initially they released alpha and beta version in the year of 1995. So later they released the very first version, JDK Java Development Toolkit in 1996. Later gone. So after 5.0, so they renamed like Java Standard Edition. So they removed J2SE and they put Java Standard Edition from 2006. So this is the link. So if you click on this particular link, it is the official website of Java. It is going to show you the versions and next 5 years, what are their plans to release. So that also it is going to be show you here. So then we'll talk about data types. As the name indicates, the data types, with the help of this particular data type, you are going to be tell to the Java whether what type of data you are going to be store. So in Java, generally we'll have two types of data types. One is primitive and another one is non-primitive. So primitive data types are the data types which are predefined in the Java software, and non-primitive data types are the data types which are defined by user. So again, under primitive data types, we have two things. One is Boolean data type and another one is numeric data type. So in Boolean data type, only one data type is there, that is Boolean. It holds only two values, either true or false. So coming to the numeric data types, again, it will fall under two things, character as well as integral. So character, which of char data type. And again, integral, it falls under two things. One is integer and another one is floating point. Within the integer, we'll have again four different types of data types, that is byte, short, int, and long. Again, in the floating point, we have two different data types, that is float and double. So coming to the non-primitive data types, strings, arrays, classes, all these things will come under non-primitive data types. So Java is going to be support all these data types when you are developing applications by using Java. Okay. So we'll see one reflection spot. So check whether the following statements are true or false. If false, mention the reason. The very first thing is byte b equals to 2 into 5. So this is a valid statement. And next one, boolean b equals to I. Next, float f equals to 3.14. As you know that byte is going to store the integer values. Boolean is going to store only two values, that is 190. Float is going to store floating values. So first statement is wrong. And second statement, if it is I, it is not going to store I. Why? Because the Boolean data type will hold only 190. And the last statement is correct. Okay. So under this particular topic, I'm going to give you one small program, that is write a Java program that reads number of inches and it converts into meters. Okay. So once again, I'll revisit the lecture outcome. So completing this particular and the importance of data types as well as variables of Java. So further, you just see concentrate chapter 1 on this Java complete reference book. And weekly tutorial sheet I'm going to be posting the course for. Thank you.